Ventilation is essential during and after cleaning the shower to prevent inhaling chemical fumes and to stop mold and mildew from returning. When you clean a shower, always start by opening any windows and turning on the bathroom exhaust fan, then keep them running while you work. Use a diluted cleaner when possible and avoid mixing products that produce toxic gases, and if a stronger cleaner is required, dilute it precisely following the label and limit your exposure by standing upwind of splashes. Wear simple protective gear like gloves and safety glasses, and consider a lightweight respirator if you are using potent acid or bleach products for more than a few minutes. After scrubbing, rinse surfaces thoroughly with warm water to remove residue. Then squeegee tiles and glass to reduce remaining moisture that encourages microbial growth. Continue ventilation for at least 30 minutes or until the room feels dry to the touch, because airborne vapors can linger and damp surfaces can let spores re-establish. For homes without windows, run a high-capacity portable fan directed toward an open door or a window in an adjacent room to create airflow, and place damp towels near the doorway to trap excess water. A common mistake is shutting ventilation off immediately after finishing, which lets vapors and moisture linger, so keep fans on and windows open until the space is dry. Another is using excessive product concentrations or mixing cleaners, which releases harmful gases, so always read labels, use single products as directed, and store them separately. People often skip drying steps like squeegeeing and leaving wet towels in the bathroom, which promotes mold. So remove wet textiles promptly and use a fan or towel to dry surfaces. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors for projects like bathroom ventilation upgrades and deep clean services. On our site, we also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors share practical tips, ask questions, and find work opportunities.